new education policy 2020, and I would suggest the government of India to have a little suggestion from my side. If this video circulates around the people, please share as much as possible, because this suggestion I'm giving is much more important. Because if we don't apply into the practicality, if we don't execute it into right direction, then we may face the problem of giving the right teaching, giving the right knowledge to the students. And therefore this is a good idea that has come into action, because education system was lacking behind. It was not up to the mark, it was not updated. After 34 years it has been into something which can change our nation and build a better qualified, better skilled, better knowledgeable people around us, and we can make a good development for our India. So I would suggest that teachers needs to get consultancy, teachers need to get advised, teacher needs to have that knowledge, that skills which they are going to teach to their students. So every school may face the problem of getting right teachers, right knowledge, right skills, right direction to give to their students. So I would suggest everyone, like, there should be a main person at the top. Like for example, there are 29 states in India. So every top teacher, every single top teacher who has skill, who has knowledge about particular subject, so he may can advise to all the teacher about doing a single work, a common work, which all the teachers needs to understand and have knowledge about it, and therefore put it into action, so that they can improve skills according to the right knowledge and give them right direction. That's my main objective of this video, and there are going to be lots of videos which I'm going to share with all of you. Before that, this is a must message to all the people of India, to the government of India. This should be done, because I generally feel if we don't direct the teachers, if we don't give them the right knowledge, if we don't give them the right path to teach their students, so it is going to lack, and therefore we may suffer according to the system which has been built up, which has been come up, and put it into action. We can improve our education system according to that. So this is just a starting phase, and I hope you are happy with it. And I'm definitely sure that I'm going to talk a lot of buzz around this topic, because education system is really demanding in today's world, in today's society, because it was just like bhed chal, and I don't want that. I want to raise our students to acquire right knowledge, right skills, so that they can freely follow their passion, and go according to the interest they have. So this is a really very much important, which I think you should share. Please subscribe my channel Sagar Kalyan, so therefore you can join me on my channel, YouTube channel. So I hope you really like this video.